Greetings hobbyists, this is Artisans of All, and I cannot believe that I've missed out on this for so long. So for the longest time I've been hunting for an add-on that would allow me to select something on this side of the mesh and then automatically take that selection and do it on the opposite side. Now yes, I know there's ways that we could modify one side and then just transpose that over to the other, for example using a mirror, but say we have an asymmetrical object, that's not really an option. Now I assumed that there wasn't an add-on that could do this because maybe it was just impossible. What I didn't realise is that there wasn't an add-on for this because you can already do it in native Blender. I mean, I feel so stupid for not realising this. Please, if you didn't know this as well, please say in the comment section to make me feel less like an absolute idiot. So basically all you have to do is select the vertices or faces or edges that you want, go to select, and there is an option for select mirror, and it selects the other side. It ignores anything in between and looks for geometry that is identical on the opposite end. Now, as standard, it comes with this not having extend on, so it swaps the side over that's being selected. But if you just click extend, then it keeps your selection and adds it to the other end as well, allowing you to, let's say, for example, extrude long normals, and then we've now done that on both sides. Like, this is going to save me so much time. I mean, on a project by project basis, the ability to not have to select there and then come round and do that again over the course of a whole project is really going to add up. Now, there is a shortcut for this. So the shortcut for this is Control Shift and M. Now, I don't like that as a shortcut because the M is nowhere near the Control and Shift, so that's not particularly handy. What I would do instead is go to Edit and Preferences, come to your key map, and then for name we'll type in, and this is called Select Mirror, and then from there we can change our key binding. I'm going to go for Control Shift and then slash. And I'll do that for each of my different selections though, and then save my preferences. And now that means that I can have, let's say, just these selected here, or let's just say that outer one there, and then Control Shift and then slash that over to the other side and do whatever I want to it. For example, scale it on the X, and we'll do that in both ends. Well, that could look cool as well. Now, one other thing that I should point out that is worth exploring is that if we do something like move around the origin, so for example, if we G and then X the origin across to somewhere else, and then we try that again, so let's just select there and then do that across, you'll notice that it hasn't worked because this is going to work off of the origin. So we do need the origin to be perfectly centered in the object. So for this to start working again, we'd probably have to come into face mode and annoyingly go to one face and then the other face, and then Control Alt and X and then do our origin to selection. And as soon as we've done that, let's just select there and then Control Shift and slash, you'll notice it starts working. So this does require your origin to be perfectly centered between the points that you're trying to select. But I still think this is going to be an absolutely massive time saver. Anyway, I thought I'd share that so that if you're at a stage in Blender where you keep not knowing what tool to use, be aware that it's happened to people that have used Blender quite a lot for quite a long time. And I also wanted to just share it for anyone that wasn't aware of this like I was at this point, because I went back and checked, and this has been around in Blender since, well, I went back to Blender 3, so it's been around for a long time. Anyway, if you found that useful, please hit the like button. It helps other people find out about these sorts of tools. And if you want to support the channel any further, there's a link in the description to the channel Patreon where you get these videos a week early, ad-free, and access to the Patreon Discord where you've got a range of like-minded people sharing tips and tricks and generally just helping each other out. Hope to see you in the next video, and have a great day.